Hi everyone! Welcome to my studio mess. Well, this is my big number 150 in my attempts at watercolor painting, and I was getting major creative block, or more like painting paralysis. Usually I can just start and have an idea of what I want to do, even when it's an abstract. But this big number messes with me, or more like my brain messes with me because the number means nothing really. I had no problems doing 149, and 151 will likely be fine too. I actually decided to skip 150 and go straight to 151. How silly is that? But I bet it would work. This seems to happen to me every 50 paintings. I tried choosing my paper and just stared at the blankness for a while. Then paced around the room, trying to think of what I wanted to paint. I think I wanted this one to be extra special and was putting pressure on myself. I'm sure this happens to lots of people. Then my son suggested try doing a messy sketch for those big numbers to take away all the pressure. What a great idea, and it actually worked. I told myself to experiment and play, and try not to do a good painting that anyone else will see. Now, I like to record everything, but was 95% sure this one wouldn't go on YouTube. But just in case, I did record it, and I'm glad I did because this might be something that could help others who also get this weird number-related block. So I grabbed a scrap piece of 300-pound heavy Stonehenge paper. I already have some paint on this piece, but that's fine. I'm in the I don't care mode right now. And was excited to try out this dip pen with my semi-waterproof ink. It dissolves in water, but some lines stay there. So I wasn't trying to make a beautiful composition, and it didn't turn out great. But the point of it was to try out new techniques, play, experiment, be messy, and have fun, mostly to get past this big number pressure I was feeling. This is just part of the psychology of learning to paint, and I wish every painting book had a chapter on this. I know lots of people get that blank page paralysis, and maybe you also get the big number paralysis too. Or maybe you freeze at the first new page of a sketchbook, or a larger piece of expensive paper. But I hope this helps give you something to try to get past it too.